Who knows what that is? Hmm? Anybody on here know what that is? That's a little brass light stove. I've had that. That's my first alcohol stove ever on. Oh, great little stove. It's a pretty good stove. I mean, it's in the top 5 if you ask me. It's a good stove. And I'll show you. I keep that in one of my coffee mats in my when I'm packing my fanny pack. When I'm geared out with walking and shit, I pack that with me with some coffee and my percolator, my little percolator. Yeah, it's a beautiful thing, y'all. Anyway, to be continued about these little brass light stoves. They're good little stoves, y'all. As you can see, they have an air adjustment. That's what that little handle is. You got to spike that with a tin stake or something, a stick or something to hold it so you can cut the air down if that's what you want to do, cooking eggs or something. That's him right there, baby. It's a great little stove. We're gonna make some coffee on it. It's just too hot right now, y'all. Be continued from the woods to Hooch Otaka.